Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel of DCC NIT-A. So we are going to discuss problem Warrior Chef from contest starter 101. And if you haven't read the question, I will basically just explain you. So our chef is on a journey and he will face an enemies on the journey. And every enemy's health is given in an array. Like first enemy's health is A1, second enemy's health is A2, ith enemy's health is AI, and nth enemy's health is AN. And you have been also given that X is resistance of chef, which means that if he fights any enemy and his enemy's health is less than X, so our chef can fight that enemy without losing any health. But in case if enemy's health is greater than X, so chef's health will be reduced by that particular enemy's health. And you just have to find out that what is the minimum possible X such that chef can beat all the enemies. So this problem is like a standard binary search problem where you can do binary search on X and constraints are given like AI will AI will be up to 10 to the power 5, so you can set your low pointer on 0 and you can set your high pointer on 2v5 or something. So and X will lie in between them. So it's like low, mid and high, and X will lie between low and high. So I will just apply normal binary search for X where I will design a check function. Like if my check function, if my mid, which is low plus high by 2, if mid fits the check function, then I will search the answer between low to mid. That means to, I will move my pointer from high to mid minus 1. So that I will search from an search answer from low to mid because I want minimum possible X. So yeah, I will just show you the code so you will understand better. So this is an enemies and H health, and I took the input enemies health in V1I and I set my low pointer to 0, high to 2E5 and ans to 2E5, and ans will store our answer. So this is normal binary search where I will show the check function. Now you might be thinking how to design check function. So basically you have to check whether the supplied mid will be our X. You just have to check that with that X can chef beat all the enemies. So this is normal one. In check function, you will just iterate from 1 to V1 and 1 to N, and then you will just see if health of enemy is less than X, then you just don't have to do anything because its enemy is less than X, so our chef can fight without losing any health. And in case the enemy's health is greater than X, then chef's health will be reduced by that particular enemy's health, which is H minus V1. And at any of the point, if health goes beyond 0, that means health is negative. You just have to return false. That means that particular mid or that particular X is not possible. And so yeah, that is your check function, and your ans will get modified like that. Minimum of ans comma mid, and at the end you just have to return answer. So that was the explanation of problem warrior chef. If you haven't understood the problem, I would recommend you to see binary search. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.